Okay, so here is the progress of some of the seedlings. These are tomatoes, and just got a little guy coming up. I just put them out after work to get a little bit of more actual sunshine. It's warm right now, it's in the 70s, so you get that. This is not sprouted. This is a sunflower. Peppers have not sprouted. Another pepper. And then a zucchini, which are doing pretty good. This one did not sprout. And cucumbers. And green beans. This is already sprouting. It's good. And then spearmint, which is not. Money tree. And my free plant. Hey, get down. Planted a little sunflower right here, just for now. And this one's starting to come up. So is this one? I planted a few seeds right here. This is an old cacti. And sunflower, 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 and then a little succulent. Just gonna water. I've been watering daily. And these little guys, my little grow station, are doing quite well. They pretty much, I guess most of them have popped up. Okay, just weed whacked a little bit right here. I need to do some more over here. Just some of my ferns. Can't remember what this bush was. And then I planted Japanese banana trees last year, and some of it is sprouting. Some of its little cakey seedlings. Here's Ash. Ash, do you want to help me weed whack?